Transforming a backyard into a personalized oasis takes more than just fresh plants. It requires thoughtful design, skilled craftsmanship, and attention to every detail, from grading and irrigation to fencing and drainage. Our recent landscape installation project showcases this comprehensive approach, combining function, aesthetics, and long-term performance. We began by removing existing sod, old plant material, and excess soil to prep for new irrigation, grading, and landscape elements. The site was reshaped to improve drainage, sloping water away from the home and leveling out lawn and entertainment areas. Command soil and potting mix were added to new lawn zones and planting beds, followed by the installation of new sod, sable palms, and Florida-friendly plants such as beautyberry and firebush. We installed a new drainage system featuring adapters, pipe, a catch basin, and pop-up emitters to prevent water pooling and improve site performance. The irrigation system was inspected and retrofitted where necessary after marking bed layouts. A drip line system was installed to ensure efficient, targeted watering of all new plant material, helping conserve water and promote healthy root development. We extended the pool deck with compacted paver base and cleanly installed pavers. All beds were mulched and pine straw added for a neat finish. To screen the pool equipment, our carpentry team built a custom wood fence with concrete set posts, dual picket layers, and a detailed cap and accent trim. We also repaired a nearby roadside fence panel. For best results, we advised waiting 1 to 2 weeks before painting or staining the new wood. This landscape installation delivered a high-performing, visually stunning backyard retreat, complete with smart drainage, a functional hardscape extension, bold tropical plantings, and subtle screening features. It's a space designed to be lived in, enjoyed, and admired for years to come.